Stop using Photoshop in 2025 to remove the background from your photos and stop using Remove BG. This is exactly why Photoshop is not that accurate when there's too many things happening in the image. Now with Remove BG, when you go over to Remove BG, you cannot export full HD pictures. But now I'm going to show you exactly how to remove background accurately, no matter where you are in the world, using your laptop or using your phone. So you're going to go over to Photoroom website. I'm going to drop the link in the description down below. Head over to your browser and search photoroom.com. You can copy the link from the description and paste it in here. Once the site loads, this is basically what you see. You click on this menu bar at the top right, these three lines, and then you see product. You click on product. Now you have background remover. You go ahead and you click on it. It's going to open this page for you. Start from a photo. Now choose my photo library. If you're on a PC, you can just drag and drop. Now I'm going to pick this one. And that's all. That's basically it. It's going to allow you to download high quality image with transparent background, and it is more accurate than Photoshop. When you click on edit for free, it is going to open your interface where you can edit the cutout. Just hover over the parts that you don't want in your photo, and it's intelligently going to select that part and remove as well or replace. So you click on download. Bam, save image. Now that is exactly how you get high quality removed background images. Whether you have a PC or phone, just access this website. I'll see you on my next video.